Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. If you don't know who I am, my name is Magaly, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you could do that down below. But basically what I'm going to be doing, as you read in the title, is unboxing some stuff that I got sent, because so recently I did partner up with Pinchme, and well, this is my personal box and they sent me this box. But basically Pinchme is a website where they send you free stuff in return of a review of their stuff, if that makes sense. And they sent me this box like a couple weeks ago. I just have not had time to make a video. So I'm kind of excited. And the box they did send me is influencer box. So it's a bigger, one of the bigger boxes. Don't mind these like little thingies, like little lights. It's daytime and I don't have curtains, so yeah. Alright, so basically this is what the box looks like. On the side it has their Instagram handles, or social media handles: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Yeah. Pinchme. So let's see. So it says, welcome, we're so thrilled to have you on board. As a Pinchme influencer, you get special access to exclusive products, promotions, rewards, and much more. Cool. Okay, so basically how Pinchme works, first you have to become a pincher, which you complete your member profile and tell us more about yourself. We'll match you with products relevant to your lifestyle. And then choose your samples. So on Sample Tuesdays, you could choose samples to add to your Pinchme box, and there is no credit card required. And I was actually I used Pinchme before they even reached out to me, and I would get Vogue magazines, and the new ones I got are like, I don't know what it's called, female, I don't know, I get magazines for free basically every month, so that's one of the, like the stuff I signed up for. And I also got my personal Pinchme box, which I'll be opening after the influencer box. And then, so give us feedback. Try the products for free. In exchange, we ask for some of your time and plenty of your opinions. So basically, you sign up, create a profile, choose what you like, or like what you're interested in as of samples, and then you get them and you review them. Yeah. So first thing I see, because it's huge, is this. It's a Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. So it's a hair treatment. And this is a big bottle. I feel like this is like a full size. Whoa. Cool, cool. And it has a little like pump thing. What does this do? So it's argan oil that instantly absorbs into hair to immediately enhance manageability, shine, and deliver long-term conditioning without leaving residue. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I'll definitely be using this. And the next thing is a Biore? I don't know. Charcoal. Biore charcoal. Oh, charcoal cleansing micellar water. So this is actually pretty cool because I actually have the actual cleanser, so this would be perfect. Removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. Cool. Definitely will use that. What is this? Okay, so I think this is tea. Okay, probiotic and functional teas for wellness from prevention and organic India. Okay, cool. So this is tea. 2 tea bags. So that's cool. Maybe I'll try them, like, I don't know, but I'll try them because I drink tea. Next that I see are these little Keurig coffee cups. So I usually drink my coffee like with milk. It's like coffee, milk, and sugar. That's pretty much all I drink. But I'll definitely give these to my dad because he drinks coffee. But it's Pioneer Blend, 1850, black gold dark roast coffee, 1850. That's the brand, 1850. That's pretty cool. Next is a RX nut butter. Is this like legit butter? Oh, almond butter. I don't know what this is for. It has 9 grams, is it 9G? 9 grams of protein, 1 egg white, 18 almonds, half a date, and no BS. I don't know what that means. Maybe this is like for like after the gym or something like that. You could put like on bread. Maybe I'll try it if I go to the gym. Next thing is this little Dove exfoliating polish. Ooh, this looks real nice. Let's see. Dove exfoliating body polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk, and it's new. Oh, I don't want to. Maybe I'll use this tonight. I'll use this tonight, and I'll let you guys know how it feels and how it smells. But this looks pretty cool. It's new, so see, sometimes you get new products that you could try out. Whoa, okay, so I got Skittles. It's a new Sweet Heat Skittles, and I've seen these on a commercial. Oh, wait a minute. I got another RX nut butter. Oh, this is peanut butter spread. So I'll probably definitely eat this. This is pretty cool. All right, Skittles. So I seen these on a commercial and I wanted to try them, but I'm like, so let's try them now.
That's mango. That one's good.
It's like the slightest hint of spice, like slight. It's like one taste bud and that's it. But they're good. Like, they're really good. All right, on to the next. Oh, this is the last item. So, the next thing is this Pinchme blister cushions. Protects and cushions blisters, stays in place, provides optimum cushioning from rubbing and pressure. Okay, so actually these are gonna be great for when I wear heels and stuff. So I will definitely be using these. So basically I got pretty much like a lot of stuff, like a lot of samples. Well, some stuff were like pretty big, like this. It's full size, I think. This was like a travel size, so that's pretty cool. And then if you do sign up, this is the box that you guys will get. So it's not a bad size. It's pretty like long wise. This was my personal box, so I already created my profile and chose what samples and stuff I like, or like what my interests are and stuff like that. So this is like mostly personalized to me and what I like. So let's open this box. So I basically kind of got the same things, except there's 2 new things. Okay, I got one of the coffee cups, and then I got another one of these RX nut butters and peanut butter, because I actually like peanut butter, so I'll probably definitely use these. And then one of the new things that I got is a Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1-minute hair mask. plus avocado extract. So honestly, this would be very good for me since I have bangs and I straighten them every single day since I cut them. So this will probably help me out pretty well. And also I got a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. So it's basically they send you like ingredients to cook a meal of your choice and you cook it and eat it. So honestly, I might do this. It's $25 off your first two boxes. So that's pretty cool. So it's basically all the products I got from my influencer box and my actual personal box. So if you do want to sign up, the link will be down below where you could sign up, make your profile, and start getting free stuff. So thank you so much to Pinchme for sending me that box, and I am so happy to be working with you guys. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video and got something out of it, please leave a like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you. And well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.